Ever felt those butterflies in your stomach at airport security? Here's a list of bizarre things that can get you detained at the airport. But before we start, make sure you like and subscribe at The Daily Dose for You, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss out. Some might just blow your mind. First up, travel history. If you've been globetrotting to politically unstable or sanctioned countries like Afghanistan or Syria, expect extra scrutiny. Customs officials are like detectives, piecing together your travel puzzle. Frequent flyer with no clear reason? They'll want to know why. Next, let's talk about what's in your bag. Bringing back a cool souvenir? Think again. Items made from endangered species, like ivory or rhino horn, can land you in serious trouble. Hefty fines and even jail time await. And if you're packing valuables like expensive watches or jewelry, declare them. Different countries have different rules. For example, India has strict limits on carrying gold. Exceed them and you're in for hefty duties. But wait, it gets weirder. Some items are banned based on cultural sensitivities. In India, materials misrepresenting its borders are a big no-no. Japan's got a ban on anything harmful to public morals. And the UAE? Anything offensive to Islam is strictly prohibited. Foodies, beware. Many countries have strict regulations on importing meat, produce, and dairy. That harmless apple could get you detained. Check the USDA or your destination's guidelines before packing any snacks. So the next time you're packing for your trip, remember these surprising reasons that can get you detained at airport security. Like and subscribe at The Daily Dose for You. Safe travels, and may your journeys be smooth and trouble-free.